This is the final video for using subroutines, like procedures or functions. All we're going to learn now is how to pass variables into the function. So at the moment, when I call it, I'm passing two strings into this function at the top. Now what if I wanted to pass variables into it instead? So let's just, for starters, we'll just put A and B, just to keep it nice and simple and have different names. So I want to pass in two variables, variable A and variable B, into this function. Now when I run it, it comes up to say A is not defined, B is not defined, because I haven't actually used them yet. But if I ask the user to input two values and store them into A and B, and this is how we add the interaction with the user. So if I ask the user to enter their first name and enter their second name, whichever they type in will be stored into this variable, and whatever they type in will be stored into this variable, because this is an assignment operator. So we assign to the left, they type something in, it stores it in here, they type something in, it stores it in here, and then we use the values to pass into the function. So when we run the code, it asks us to enter the first name, enter the second name, and it passes them into the function and returns the value. So that is how you add your user interaction into your function. So every time you ever want to use this function again, you just have to use this, and you pass in whichever variables that you want to use.